I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Search and select ActiveCampaign. Give here the API URL and API key. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and go to Settings and Developer. Under the Developer you can show here API URL and API key. Copy the API URL and API key and paste it into the integration. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list and select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the action, you can update the ActiveCampaign by checking it. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next, finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. So go to the ActiveCampaign site and refresh the page. And you can see the data came successfully in the ActiveCampaign. Thanks for watching.